Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So we'll continue with this lines and angles. I hope you have completed your classwork for the previous exercise. So we have come to the end of this chapter. So with this video we finish this lesson. Okay, so we are going to learn angle sum property of triangle. So already in your 7th grade or 8th grade you would have learnt about it. So it's a very simple known topic to you all. So angle sum property of a triangle. So as you know that if you have a triangle, you have three angles in it, right? So let's say this is angle A, B and C. So always in any triangle, when you add the triangles inside the angle, add the angles inside the triangle, all the three angles, they always add up to 180 degree. Okay, so the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree always. Okay, so this is what is the angle sum property of a triangle. And then the second important property is, like, if you have a triangle, okay, let's say you have ABC and it is like extended like this, the ABC is extended like this, and let us say this angle is some x degree. All right, so now if this is the external angle, okay, you call this as an external angle, and these three angles inside are interior angles. All right, the angles inside the triangle are interior angles, and the angle outside is called as the exterior angle or external angle. Okay, so let me say exterior angle. So now this angle will be always equal to the sum of the opposite angles. That is, the opposite angles are A and B, right? See, C is touching this angle, so this won't be considered as the opposite angle. So the opposite angles are always the angles which doesn't touch the X at all, that is this A and this B. So the angle X will be always equals to A plus B. So this is what is your proper theorem. This is what it says. It says if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, now let's do a few problems randomly from exercise 3.3. So this is the first question. It says in the given figure, that is, this is the figure, sides QP, so QP and RQ, so this side and this side, QP is this side and RQ is this side, of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T. So see, they have extended this, right? So that is what they are saying. So if you extend it like this, then if angle SPR is this angle is 135, it's given, and angle PQT is this 110. Find angle PRQ. So you need to find this angle. Okay, so let's look at this. See, if you look at this SPR, this one, let me say, use a different pen color. So yeah, angle SPR, this angle, plus QPR, this QPR is this angle, they form a linear pair, right? They lie on a straight line. See, like this it is. So the totally, when you add them up, it's going to give you 180. So 135 plus this, 135 plus angle QPR is 180. So you find out, you subtract 135 this side, and it gives you 45. So you get this angle as 45. And also when you look at this angle over here, if you look at this, there are many ways of doing it. You can find the angle over here and then use this angle sum property, or you can use the exterior angle theorem, and then you can solve also. So I have used the exterior angle theorem. See, angle QRT, that is this angle over here. Let me use this one. Yeah, so let this 45, this angle plus this angle, if you add these two, will give you this 110, right? The orange lines which I have drawn, this angle and this angle should add up to this. That's your exterior angle theorem. So angle QRP, that is this angle, and angle QPR, which is this, the angle which 45 which we have found, should be equals to this 110 angle. Okay, so I have written QRP plus 45 equals to 110. So QRP is equals to 110 minus 45, or that gives you 65. All right, so this is the angle you have got for angle QRP. That's what they have asked us to find. Or QRP or PRQ, it means the same. Okay. So basically the angle in the alphabet written in the middle is what indicates the angle, and this PR and RQ are the rays which contain this angle. Okay, all right, now let's come to next question. Question number 4. it says in figure, this is the figure given. So if PQ and RS intersect at point T, so they are intersecting at this point, such that angle PRT is given as 40, and then angle RPT is given as 95, and the other angle, this one, is given as 75, and they are asking us to find SQT. So middle angle Q, which is having S and T as the corner. So SQT is this one. Okay, SQT, this one. Okay, and now we are going to find out what is SQT. So let's use what all we know. So first let's find out angle T. See, let's find out in triangle PRT, the first triangle over here. Okay, two angles are known to us, 95 and 40 are known, only angle T is missing over here. So we can use angle sum property, and we can say that P plus R plus T adds up to 180. This is angle sum property, right? So I can write by angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so you get a 95 plus 40 plus angle T equals to 180, or 90 plus 40 is 135 plus angle T equals to 180, and angle T equals to 180 minus 135, which is 45 degree. Okay, so this gives you 45 degree angle T. Now you see this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, right? See, I'll use a green pen to show it. These two are vertically opposite angle. Whenever you have two angles formed by crossing the lines like this, these two are called as vertically opposite angles, and they are always equal. So this turns out to be 45. Now in triangle TSQ, you see, now again we have got two angles, 45 and 75. So you can find this angle by using angle sum property, right? So that is what I have written over here. See, angle T is 45 because of this vertically opposite angles. Okay, and T plus so this is in triangle TSQ. Okay, angle T plus S plus Q will be equals to 180, right? And you get angle T is 45, angle S is 75. It's given, it's 45, we just found out, and angle Q is what we need to find. Okay, so 120 plus angle Q is 180, and angle Q is 180 minus 120, which gives you 60. So angle SQT is 60 degree. Okay, so now complete this exercise in your geometry classwork. Okay, and so we have finished this lesson. So in the next video, inshallah, next week I'll be teaching you a new chapter. Okay, so prepare this chapter well, learn all the theorems and definitions with whatever I have given. Okay, Allah Hafiz, children. Thank you.